everybody, and welcome back to another episode of the Fully Charged Gardener. Thank you very much for tuning in again. I really do appreciate it. So today's video is going to be taking a first look at this brand new Stihl HLA 135 long reach battery hedge trimmer. And full disclosure before we go any further into today's video, this unit is a demo unit that has been provided to me by the lovely team at Stihl GB. So thank you very much for that, guys. I really do appreciate it. So let's take a closer look at this unit. So let's start by taking a look at the styling of the unit. It has the same styling as the rest of the 135 family. I think it's pretty cool looking. I don't know about you. We have the battery housing in the top. We have the panel where you can insert a new smart connector. On the bottom we have a mesh air filter. But overall, a very smart, tidy look to the unit. We'll come down to the new grip. So we have a nice rubberized grip on here. We have the safety switch, and this is also your speed selector for the blade speed, which is indicated very simply by 3 LEDs. We have an infinitely variable trigger. Just demonstrate that now. And you can hear just how quiet the unit is. Moving a bit further down the shaft, we have the nice rubberized loop handle, and then we have a rubberized grip on the shaft as well. Speaking of the shaft, let's move down and take a look at the business end. So this is where the magic happens. All 60 centimeters of it with 34mm tooth spacing. A stroke rate of 4,000 RPM. And we have a 145-degree angle of adjustment. So there's always an angle with various lock-in positions along the way. So you can always find the angle that you need, and it stows away for transport. The overall length of the unit is 249 centimeters. So you've got plenty of reach, really nicely balanced. And we have that 4,000 RPM. Now you can select 3 different speeds on here. And I'm going to be perfectly honest, I have no idea what the other speeds are. If I can find out, I will put it in the description of the video. But that's number 1. Is fast. Number 2 is a bit faster. And number 3 is 4,000 strokes per minute. Absolutely useless, I know. I should have done some more research before doing the video, but there we go. So yeah, the cutter head itself, like I say, a lot of you will be familiar with this from petrol units. You have a grease point there. You also have a grease point there. Nice solid housing, very chunky, but also slimline and lightweight. So when you're up against the hedge, nothing's sticking out or protruding too far. You've got the simple slide collar on there for adjusting it with a nice handle to make it easy. Right then, let's get to this end and let's talk about the thing that everybody's going to ask about, runtime. Okay, so very quickly before we talk about run times, the weight of the unit without a battery in is 5.6 kgs. Now, obviously the ultimate weight of the unit is going to depend on the battery that you choose to run. So I'm currently running it with the AP300S battery, and as you can see with the AP300S battery in, it's still a very nicely balanced unit. Now with the AP300S battery, the official numbers are 73 minutes, up to 73 minutes runtime. Now I find with most battery hedge trimmers they seem to last longer than the stated numbers, but there's lots of factors that go into your runtime, and they can be which speed that you've selected on the machine, the material you're cutting, but one thing that also has a big factor is keeping your blades sharp. Sharp blades will give you the most efficiency out of a unit. Having dull blades is just not good. Leaves a bad finish and makes the machine work harder. Bad practice in my opinion. So yes, run times, there's lots of factors. I will put a link in the description to a table that will give you an idea of the run times you can expect. You can also put the AP adapter in here so you can run a backpack battery if you have some massive hedges to cut through. Another thing worth mentioning quickly, as this is part of Stihl's professional AP range of machines, it can be used in wet weather. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this first look video at this awesome new Stihl HLA 135 long reach battery hedge trimmer. Now there's a mouthful, isn't it? I know this video is very Taxus heavy, but that's simply because that's what I'm trimming at the moment. I did sneak into the veg garden and trim a little bit of Buxus to show you, and there's a little bit of Portuguese laurel in there as well. I will be doing more videos with this unit as the season progresses, and I will also do a full review on this unit after I've had a few more weeks of using it. So I just want to say thank you very much for tuning in again. I really do appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Cheers. Forgot my helmet.